Hey guys, this is a twin size mattress that got sent to me for free so I could try it out and let you know what I think about it. I really love that it has a built-in inflate and deflate pump. So that's one of the things that's really cool about it and really special about it. Another thing is that it has two separate fill chambers. So it has two pumps that's built into it. So it has this outer ring that it fills up and then this inner middle section that it fills up. And it just really adds to the comfort having those two different sections. So that's really cool. It feels like it's a really nice mattress. It feels like it holds air really good, so I do like that. I love how thick the PVC is. It's really heavy, feels heavy and sturdy compared to some of the other ones. So that's been really nice. And as far as fill, inflate and deflate time, it took about 2 minutes per each process. So 2 minutes to inflate, 2 minutes to deflate. And in the deflate part, it really sucks all the air out of it, so it makes it really easy to fit it back in this carry bag that it comes with. I know other mattresses that I've used, if they don't have that feature with the deflate option, it's hard to get all the air out of it. But this really takes the air down. It's almost flat and makes it super easy to roll back up and fit back in the bag. So I mean, the top of it's like a velvety type feel. It feels really nice. So overall, it's a really nice product, and I can't wait to get out with it this summer and go camping and just have it out and be comfortable.